Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to delete cookies from a specific time period in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the More icon located at the top right corner and click on it. Then select Clear Browsing Data. Step 3. At the top of the Clear Browsing Data window, next to Time Range, click on the drop-down menu. Step 4. Choose a time period that suits your needs, such as the last hour or the last day. Step 5. Check the box next to Cookies and Other Site Data. Step 6. Make sure to uncheck all the other items to solely delete cookies. Step 7. Finally, click on Clear Data to delete the selected cookies from the chosen time period. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete cookies from a specific time range in Chrome on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Remember to regularly clear your cookies to enhance your browsing privacy and experience. Until next time, happy browsing and take care.